All right, Brady with Wonderful Digital. In this video, we're going to talk about what you need to do on your website based on what you think people are seeing, what people are actually seeing, what your developer sees, and what Google sees. So let's jump in. I'll keep this short, but it is super important that developer and an SEO expert understands all of these things. So we'll start here. This is a website. You've got your menu up top. You've got drop downs. You've got HOA services, locations. You scroll down, you've got pictures. Text is all different sizes. You've got links that jump between. You've got Google reviews. You've got a contact form. All of the good stuff that you would expect to see on a website. Now, what the person typically sees is on their phone. So they type in something, they get to your website, and they've got a website that they're scrolling through on their phone. Now, your developer and your SEO expert, they should be the same. If you just have a developer and not an SEO person, and then you try and do the SEO outside of it, you're gonna get yourself in trouble. So you can see here, this is an H3, it's a heading. Google reads this and says, hey, look, there's a heading right here. And do you know what we're doing? We're targeting this keyword, commercial snow plowers near me. So when somebody is typing into Google, if you run an HOA company or a property management company or something along those lines, you're going to Google, if you don't have one, let's say like the other guys, they screwed up or they bailed out on you, you're probably going to type in something like commercial snow plowers near me. I'm not going to get into keyword research and how to see how much volume is coming through for each of the terms, but this is explicitly trying to target commercial snow plowers near me as a term that somebody's actually going to type into Google and try and get found for that thing. And then on the website, we just put it in to make it sound human, looking for commercial snow plowers near me, and then we've got a whole paragraph about all of those things. Now, what Google ends up seeing is this. So if you load your website, these are all links. These are all the drop downs. So everything that's nested underneath here is just spelled out for Google. And so they've got these little bots, these little robots that crawl through, maybe they're bots, maybe they're spiders, whatever you want to call them, but they crawl through, and everywhere there's a link. See how I turn into a finger? Right? Pointer, finger. See the finger? That means it's a link, which means their little robots are going to be like, hey, follow that finger. They're going to jump on that link and see where it goes. So all of these are links. You've got icons, images. Check out that snowflake. And then you get down and you've got, hey, check it out. There's more things here. There's locations. There's titles, there's subtitles, there's pictures. This is how basic websites get built, is with pictures and text. Pictures and text, and then check it out. We've got a form. That's it. That's all. Pictures, text, and maybe a form or something along those lines. And so Google needs to understand, hey, this is super important. This is larger text. This is subtext. This is a paragraph. This is a link. Cool, there's more. Text, subtext, paragraph, link. So Google follows all of these things. They read all of your content. They document all of the words. They follow any kind of maps that you have embedded. Look at that. We've got actual things that are relevant to that location. Snow plowing and removal near Westminster. Hey, look, there's Westminster. We're probably linking to Home Depot and other snow plowing manufacturing companies, and then you've got your social links, great big icons. So just remember, if you're two things. One, if you're a web designer, marketer, SEO person, you need to understand how Google works, what they're seeing, how an actual person and somebody that's looking for your service is thinking about, what they're searching for, what they see, how quickly it loads, in conjunction with the fact that, yeah, this is a professional company and they need to look professional. And so the business owner needs to see this thing and say, yeah, that looks correct. But if you don't build this thing right for actual people, if you don't build this thing right for how people are actually searching, and if you don't build this thing right for the way that Google's little bots are running through the website and jumping across links, you will not get found online. Hopefully that's helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will be happy to answer anything that comes up. Have a wonderful day.